I'm leaving the town of Glenn's Ferry, Idaho. I stayed at Three Rivers Crossing State Park. It was a really nice campground, very clean bathrooms, clean shower. I spent all day yesterday descending into this valley, and today I need to climb out. I'm not looking forward to it. I'm headed toward the town of Haggerman, about 30 miles away. I don't know if I'll make it. I'll be happy just to get out of this valley today. Two miles from Bliss, 46 miles from Twin Falls. I've been climbing out of the canyon for the last 22 miles, and now I'm getting ready to descend back into the canyon. I'm so glad I have disc brakes.
The list of our collection does grow as we continue to work in the beds over there.
Taking a day off in Haggerman, Idaho. I'm just here in the laundromat doing some laundry, and then I'm gonna find some place to plug my laptop in, see if I can get some video editing done. Is it supposed to sound like this? So I found some power at this park in Haggerman, so I could come here and edit a video. So I got a video the first day edited and uploaded already. Now I'm just charging batteries. I'm gonna go stop by the store, and then I'm gonna go back to my camp. When I was in town, I didn't get any water, so I'm gonna filter some water from the Snake River. Just packed up a tent, now I'm getting ready to leave Haggerman. I gotta climb out of the canyon today, about 1,000 feet. This area is called Thousand Springs because of all the springs that come out of the volcanic rock on the other side.